Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, April 3, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Let's get right into the analysis of SPY and uncover the factors that could influence its performance. Since March 14, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.465. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 4.91%. This translates to an average return of 0.33% per day since it was listed as buy candidate. The ETF is moving within a horizontal trend and further movements within this trend can be expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 0.320% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -5.85% and 1.96%. The 12-month trend indicates a -4.27% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -18.99% and -2.64%. This equals a price between $332.93 and $400.09 after a year. In our daily updates for SPY, our last headline reads, SPY ETF price up 0.381% on Monday. The SPY ETF price gained 0.381% on the last trading day, Monday, April 3, 2023, rising from $409.39 to $410.95. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.717% from a day low at $408.44 to a day high of $411.37. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -45 million shares, and in total, 67 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $27.53 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $457.83, and the lowest price was $348.11. Right now the price is 10.24%, or $46.88, below 52-week high, and 14.38%, or $69.03, below all-time high January 4, 2022, where the price hit $479.98. The following signals have been found for SPY. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The SPY ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $401.89 and $398.95. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 13, 2023, and so far it has risen 6.64%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $389.28 and $385.91. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $389.28. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $385.91 and $385.36. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $2.93 between high and low, or 0.717%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 0.82%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SPY meets first resistance at $412.35. If you do not hold SPY shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SPY finds first level of support at $389.28, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $392.64, minus 4.46%. This ETF has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 15 days ago. Is SPY ETF a buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for SPY ETF to perform well in the short-term period. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 4th, we expect SPY to open down $0.697 and start trading at $410.25. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.